IIBF and the name a legend sort of connects very well. And when you say something is a legend, there are two things come to mind. One is the fact that it is timeless. Second is it reinvents itself continuously. And when I look at today's needs of young bankers and developing the banking industry, the play of technology is formidable. We know that it is changing lives. So the ability of IIBF to reinvent itself and bring technology into the learning space is quite commendable, and I think as people who want to associate with IIBF and learn, the virtual classrooms, the ability to learn online, the facilities that are brought in applying technology is really commendable. And in a world where almost everything is shifting to this device, which is beginning to be the 79th organ of a human being, everything getting served on this is beginning to make life changing impact. So IIBF's capabilities in the area of technology, in the way it is applying to bring information in a manner that is digestible and easy, applying technology, I think is quite something that all students can look forward to. So I do encourage people to sign up to the capabilities of online learning using whatever media that suits the individual. So in time, I think technology based learning will take over, and IIBF is quite at the forefront of it.
You just mentioned about the addition of the 79th organ, so forth. So in this onslaught of so much of technology, where one should take care, because you're dealing with the economy?
I think there are two parts to it. One is information, second is security. Right? Information availability, all of us are used to now getting served the way we want, when we want, where we want, and in the form and content. That is nothing better than a mobile or a desktop or whatever is the most convenient way, or a, whatever, the iPads or whatever. So information availability, no issues. The associate with that, security benefits now are quite profound. People have started developing numerous solutions that are protecting customer information and interest. So I don't see them being any limitation as we sort of
vis-a-vis IIBF an institution, but you just said?
No, for IIBF being a forerunner in the learning space, they are very actively learning from pattern recognition and bringing it into the curriculum, and also educating people on how both can coexist, convenience and security. And I think that is going to define how the next generation of banking will happen.